जदि आप 2021 आरआई एग्जाम देइछंती तेबे एई भिडियोटी आपणको पई मु आपणको समस्त प्रश्नर सठिक उत्तर एठारे देइछि। आपण निजे निजर आंसर मिले नियंतु एवं केते मार्क रहउछि कैलकुलेशन करि नियंतु। मु आपणको एठारे सेट बी रो क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करूछि। सेट ए बी सी डी सबुरे समान प्रश्न रहिछि, केवल क्वेश्चन नंबर एपट सेपट रहिछि। आपण आपणको प्रश्न पत्र रे जोठी क्वेश्चन देइछि ठीक जगह रे मिले नियंतु। तेबे चलंतु देरी न करी भिडियो को आरंभ करिवा। Question number 51. 20 men and 25 women together can complete a work in 5 days. It takes 150 days for one man alone to complete the work. How many days will be required for one woman to complete the same work? Here answer D. Answer है 375. Question number 52. A rectangular block having length, breadth and height 16 cm, 12 cm and 8 cm respectively is cut into an exact number of equal cubes. Find the least possible number of cubes. Answer B 24. Question number 53. If x is greater than y, x plus y equal to 36 and 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 1 by 8, then find out the value of x and y. यार value बाहरिबो 24 और 12. Answer है B. Question number 54. If 15 men working for 8 hours a day can plough a field in 36 days, in how many days will 9 men working for 12 hours a day can plough the same field? Your answer is C 40. Question number 55. If the external and internal circumference of a circular rod is 396 meter and 352 meter respectively, then what is the width of the rod? Answer is A 7 meter. Question number 56. The volume of a cylinder is 1232 meter cube. If the area of curved surface is 176 meter square, then find out the circumference of its base. ये आंसर मु बाहर कर पारनी, आप निश्चय कमेंट करंतु जदि आप जानी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 57. If 0.8663 बार रहिबो is converted into a rational number, find out the number. Your answer is D 19 by 22. Question number 58. Find out the value. यार जदि आम वैल्यू बाहर करवा, यार आंसर है 8. आंसर बी. तापर 59. क्वेश्चन नंबर 59. यार वैल्यू बाहर 1. ऑप्शन सी. तापर रहिला 60. यार आंसर बाहर सी 3. Question number 61. If x is to y equal to 3 is to 4, then what is the value of 3x minus y is to x plus 2y? Here answer is A 5 is to 11. Question number 62. If the side of an equilateral triangle is decreased by 2 cm, its area is decreased by 11 root 3 cm square. What is the height of the triangle? Here answer is 5 root 3 cm. Option C. तापर रहा 63. यार आंसर इज 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 64. फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ 0.04 to the power -2. यार आंसर इज ए 625. क्वेश्चन नंबर 65. व्हाट इज द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बाय व्हिच 13122 मस्ट बी डिवाइडेड टू मेक इट ए परफेक्ट क्यूब? यार आंसर है बी 18. Question number 66. If each angle of a triangle is decreased by 10 degree, the ratio of 3 resultant angles will be 6:4:5. Find out the greatest angle of the triangle. Your answer is C 70 degree. Question number 67. A fruit seller purchased 20 kg of apples at Rs 300. Out of total quantity, 2 kg of apples were rotten. At what price per kg he should sell the balance quantity of apples to get a profit of 20%? Your answer is B Rs 20. Question number 68. A businessman gives 10% discount on the marked price of a watch If the cost price of the watch is Rs 300, then find out the marked price to get a profit of 20%. Here answer is C, Rs 400. Question number 69. A person deposited Rs 900. Question number 69. A person deposited Rs 9,000 in a bank. After 2 years, he withdrew Rs 4,000. At the end of 5 years, he got Rs 7640 from the bank. Find out the rate of simple interest per annum. Here answer C, 10%. Question number 70. What will be the total compound interest for 9 months on 5,000 at the rate of 40% per annum if the interest is compounded quarterly? Answer B, 1655. Question number 71. The length of the 3 rectangles having equal area are 24 cm, 12 cm and 8 cm. What will be the ratio of their breadth? Here answer is D, 1:2:3. Question number 72. A cube of wood of side 20 cm was cut and formed into a larger sphere. Find out the volume of the sphere. Here answer is A, 288 pi cm cube. Question number 73. Wasim purchased rice of Rs 8,000. He sold 3/4 out of purchased rice at a profit of 10% and rest part at a loss of 10%. Then find out the percentage of profit or loss is selling of total rice. Here answer is B, 5% profit. Question number 74. A seller marked a price of Rs 460 on a cycle and sold it giving 25% discount. If he got 15% profit, then find out the cost price of cycle purchased by him. Here answer is C, 300. तापर 75. Find out the sum of the sequence. एटा जदि हमें बाहर करबा यार आंसर है 16/105 ऑप्शन ए. Question number 76. A finished 3/10 of a work in 9 days for coloring of a house. A and B together completed rest work in 7 days. If B alone works, how many days he would have taken to complete the entire work? Here answer is D, 15. तापर question number 77. If √3 plus √2 by √3 minus √8 equal to A plus B √6, then find out the value of A and B. Here answer is D. Question number 78. A batsman makes a score of 95 runs in the 16th innings and thus increases his average by 4 runs. Find his average runs after 16th innings. Here answer बाहर 36 किंतु ऑप्शन नहीं तो ये ग्रेस बाहरी पारे आ जदि या भितर कोटा आंसर ताले आपण कमेंट करंतु. Question number 79. A boatman can row 5 km against the stream in 30 minutes and return in 20 minutes. Find the rate of current. Here answer is B. Question number 80. Three numbers are in the ratio 4:5:6 and their LCM is 4500. What is their HCF? Here answer C, 75. Question number 81. Question number 81. A mixture of 200 liters of milk and water contains 10% of water. How much more water should be added so that water becomes 20% of the new mixture? Here answer is C, 25 liters. Question number 82. A wire can be bent in the form of a circle of radius 28 cm. If it is bent in the form of a square, then what will be its area? Here answer is B, 1936 cm square. Question number 83. The average age of a husband and his wife was 25 years at the time of their marriage. After 6 years, they have a 1-year child. What is the average age of the family now? Here answer is B, 21 years. Question number 84. A boat can move 9 km per hour in still water. If the river is running 3 km per hour, it takes 90 minutes to move to a place and back. How far is the place? Answer is C, 6 km. Question number 85. If the simple interest of a sum of money at 10% per annum for 3 years is Rs 1500, find out compound interest on the same sum for the same period of the same rate. Answer A. Here answer is 1655. Question number 86. Hori reads 7/15 pages of a book in the first week and 5 by 12 of the remaining pages of that book in the second week. If there are 56 pages on read after second week, how many pages were in the book? Your answer is B, 180. Question number 87. If the sum of the two numbers is 42 and the HCF and LCM of the number are 6 and 72 respectively, then what is the sum of the reciprocals of the numbers? Your answer is A, 7 by 72. Question number 88. From a point on a level ground, the angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 60 degree. If the tower is 346 meter high, what is the distance of the point from the foot of the tower? Your answer is D, 200 meter. Question number 89. If 60% of 5 by 12 of a number is 9.5, then find out the number. Your answer is C, 38. Question number 90. A invested 20% more than B. B invested 25% less than C. If the total sum of their investment is 2650, how much amount did B invest? Your answer A, 750. Question number 91. If a number is increased by 25% and then decreased by 25%, find out the percentage of increase or decrease of final value of the number. Answer B. A person's present age is 3/5 of the age of his mother. After 8 years, he will be 2/3 of the age of his mother. How old is mother at present? Answer C, 40 years. Question number 93. Find the greatest 3-digit number which when divided by 5, 6 and 7 leaves a remainder of 3 in each case. Answer C, 843. A train running at the speed 60 km per hour crosses a single pole in 12 seconds. Find the length of the train. Answer is D, 200 meter. Question number 95. A shopkeeper sells 2 articles at Rs 600 each, making a profit of 20% on the first articles and a loss of 20% on the second article. Find the net profit or loss that he makes. Answer A, 4% loss. Question number 96. The salary of X, Y and Z are in the ratio 5:3:1. The salary of X and Y together is Rs 70,200. By what percent is salary of X more than that of Z? Your answer is D, 400%. Question number 97. A sum of money amount to 7,200 after 6 years and 9,900 after 9 years at the same rate of simple interest. Find out the rate of interest. Answer is C, 50%. Question number 98. If x to the power x minus y equal to 125, 2 to the power x plus y equal to 128, then find the value of x square minus y square. Answer is B, 21. Question number 99. Determine the value of a when cube root of 5 to the power a equal to 25. Answer is B, 6. Question number 100. A person takes 30 minutes more to cover a certain distance by decreasing his speed by 40%. What is the time taken to cover the distance at his original speed? Answer is B, 3/4 hours. जदि आपण एई वीडियोर पूर्व वीडियो देखि नांती तेबे एई वीडियो डिस्क्रिप्शन रे लिंक दे देछि आपण सेटा को जाईकी देखि परिबे सेठारे जनरल अवेयरनेस विषय रे आलोचना करा जाईछि तेबे परवर्ती वीडियो जाय रहिली नमस्कार जय जगन्नाथ।